I have a problem with this light, but not what you think. And I even found a solution. Let me explain. I'm constantly shooting something every day. If not product shoots, then videos of something. So I need a light that has like decent output, temperature control, and is always ready. And I don't have to fine tune anything to shoot. And the lighting is good, natural, no matter where I point the camera. I picked Amaran 200 XS as my choice of light, and what anyone is basically bounce the light directly to ceiling of so that it just bounces off everywhere and you don't have to point it specifically in one direction. And it also gives you like that natural light coming from a large window or balcony. I did it too, as you can see, but I have a few problems with it. Like for one, the spill is too much. So I added a reflector, as anyone would do, that gave a result and also intensified the light, which is good because now I can use less power to produce better light. Still, the depth is less and not sure like where the light is coming from, and if I have to like mimic the point source, the harsh light comes in the way. Solution: use a grid, like something like a honeycomb grid. There are grids for softbox and other modifiers and even reflectors like this one, but not particularly, and if there is one, it's just too expensive. So I decided to hell with it. I'll make one myself since I have a 3D printer from Bamboo Lab that I got it from All 3D for a great deal. This particular model is a Bamboo Lab P1S, which has an enclosure that allows me to print materials that I otherwise could not. This is perfect for my requirement because the light produces heat, so I want to print my design with ASA filament, which needs an enclosure to print, otherwise it will warp. Now let's get back to the problem solving. Since I'm making my own design and product, I want features that makes this product even better. First, I want it to be deep enough, like 1 to 1.5 centimeters to direct the light well. Second, I want it to be easily attached and detachable. Third, I don't have to modify anything on the light itself. This light's body also has a honeycomb design pattern. This is gonna be fun to make it look like it belongs with it. So I wanna create a marriage between them. So let's get to the designing first. I took the measurements and started designing in a parametric CAD application. I made like two parts. One of them is a ring that can stay on the reflector, and the other one is grid. So that the ring can stay on the reflector as long as I want or for its life. I don't have to like worry about it. But the grid I can attach or detach whenever I want. You'll see how it works after it's printed. Okay, I said I'm making a honeycomb grid, right? But my model here looks solid. There are no holes in it. But here is a trick. I wanted to take advantage of Bamboo Studios infill pattern. There are multiple infill patterns you can use, but one of them is honeycomb. Now I got myself a honeycomb grid that I can easily modify just by changing the percentage of infill, and boom, it's there. If I had to model that, like instead of like doing this here in the Bamboo Studio, if I had to model it in my CAD application, every time I wanted to make a change, I have to like change the size and design itself. So this is smart thinking right there. Now all I have to do is just print it in my Bamboo Lab P1S. The good thing about Bamboo Lab is that the ecosystem allows you to monitor anything that your printer is doing on your computer or on your phone or on your tablet, anything that you are comfortable with. You have all the controls right here, and even it has an inbuilt camera in it so that you can just remotely view if there is something goes wrong, you can just stop the printer. It's done. That came out really well. Now this is also done. Right now I'm just bouncing the light off of this wall. You can see the spill, how much it is right now. Now I haven't tested it myself. This is the first time I'm just putting this grid. I haven't installed the magnet sets because I want to see if it works. So moment of truth. Yeah, it definitely working. It's also like reducing the intensity of the light that is natural with any grids. So here is the before and here is the after. It is as simple as this. Just take this ring, which has like magnets here, place it from below, and just snap it in place. That is satisfying. So the ring stays on the reflector. You don't have to take it out. It's just a one-time snap. And then you take the grid and snap it there. It stays strong. I just realized that it's not only fitting perfectly for this reflector, I mean this particular one, but it's also like fitting any reflector that's like, I think it's these are like standard size. I even checked with other reflector of the same brand and other brands also. So it's perfectly fitting. I have just a thought that I might just sell it out. So if you guys are like interested, I might sell it out for early birds. Perfect grade, and maybe I'll keep the price reasonable. So that's it.